Hey guys, we're back. We're playing Survive the Flood. And this is a very scary game because look, it's water. Here is my girl, my cousin, Banana Naya. What's up, Banana Naya? Say hey. Banaya? I don't know what this is. Oh, Bandy. What's up? Here's Baby Care 4766. Who the what? How did you get the green balloon, boy? Get on somewhere with your chicken nugget looking. Alright, so guys, when it's the flood, we gotta choose. It's an error. Oh my gosh, it's an error, guys. Hold up a second, guys. Alright, guys, we're back. We had to, we ain't die or nothing, but something happened. 20 points. 20 points. Oh, guys. Western. Western. Kirsten and Naya, baby. Come on, guys. Where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? I'm following both of y'all, so. Get up here. Get up. Stop falling. Bro. I die. I die. I die. I saw that. I saw that. Hey, Kirsten. Hey, Kirsten. Hey, Kirsten. Hi, Kirsten. What you doing? Why you on the wall? What's your problem? You okay? Be quiet, Renaya Chicken Nugget. Baby, Kirsten. Kirsten. What was Arch Park? Arch Park? Okay, guys, go. I'm climbing up here. I ain't about to die today. I ain't about to die today. Y'all about to die. Oh, oh, guys, here's the flood. Bro, why you got an umbrella? Oh my gosh, is it? It's pushing us. That's what y'all get with y'all chicken nugget sales. We survived. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. You a survivor? Yeah. We are survivors. We are survivors. I'm a survivor. Survive. What's up, bro? You just going... Hey, I won. I survived. I'm a survivor. You're a chicken nugget. What the heck? Why you in the ground? Come on, get up. Let me help you. Choose map. We doing camp? Oh, shoot. Camp rock. Oh, my gosh. I'm staying on here. I'm staying on here. No, I ain't getting on that. Oh, no. No chicken nuggets. Oh, I'm scared, Grandma. Grandma, I'm scared. Grandma, I'm scared. What if it failed, Grandma? Would you be laughing? No, it's on Roblox. Oh my gosh, who just pushed me over here? I hate y'all who just pushed me over here, man. But at least I still survived. Cause somebody pushed me over. Oh, I survived. Okay. But at least I survived. I'm a survivor. You a chicken nugget, Kirsten. Chicken nugget. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh, what is that? Radio tower? Bro, I'm staying on a radio tower. Don't even play these games with me, bro. Hey, Nana, baby. How we gonna go to the top, Renaya, baby? I'm coming up with you guys. Ooh, somebody's about to die. Kirsten, I'm with you. Don't take a nap, because you gonna die, okay? Hey, Naya, baby. No, I won't. I ain't trusting Jack from you. It's breaking. Please don't break on the side that we are. Yes, I survived. I'm a survivor. This the last time, guys. All right. We survived. Other people died, and that's what they get for being slow. We old school musical. Old. Okay, go, 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 go. I'm going up here, bro. I'm leaving y'all. Sorry, come on, go, 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 go. Is there any ladders? No. Okay. Y'all, you don't know where I'm at. I left you too. You guys don't know where I'm at. I didn't die. I'm a survivor. Survive. Yeah, I survived. I'm a survivor. You a chicken again. I'm a survivor. You a survivor. Let's get. Yes, we survived. And bye, guys. That was it of Carter X Kitchen. And I'll see you next time, my brothers and sisters. Goodbye. Subscribe to Malik in my channel.